Hey guys, Tools back here. So in the past I did a video about this power scrubber, the P4510. I showed you how it was good to clean the bathroom with it, and I told you I was going to do the boat. So here's a little video about it. So I didn't take the boat out yet this year, and I have to do a deep cleaning out of it before I do. Seats are nasty, but I use the power scrubber on those two seats here, and they end up coming back very good. As you can see, the seats are all moldy, and if I use a hose against it, it doesn't really do too much to it. But if I use this power scrubber with just a regular automatic soap here, and I use it on there, I just see the difference here. I'll squirt it. See how good it's coming already. You can use that on all the surface too. Pretty much spotless.